Now this Kmioc heavy duty belt, and my goodness, check out the thickness of that leather. That's like a 1/4 inch thick. This is like a super stiff belt, and everything about this seems like really solid. This is like solid leather, and it's come with 7 holes here. This buckle is like just a chunk of metal. So this thing is all like super heavy duty. I think they got like a lifetime warranty on this, and just really durable. I mean, leather obviously is super strong, but just the thickness of this is pretty impressive. So for CCW and things like that, or for if you have a holster, a lot of belts are kind of flimsy, and even if you have like on the side or something like that, it's even difficult to push a belt through something like this, maybe a holster or something. But one thing about like having a nice thick belt is also this thing is not going to bend. So if you have like your sidearm on here and you have like a flimsy belt, it can also like bend off the side and kind of flop around. This thing is super strong and durable, like solid leather. So let's try this out here real quick here. All right, friends, as you can see, that is a nice good fit there, super durable. A lot of CCWs clip on, so they go on the inside and they're going to clip on the inside of this, or clip on this, so it looks like just a clip there. So you want a nice durable belt for that, and this is definitely that. It's super thick, like I said, like a 1/4 inch thick, super heavy duty, solid metal piece here. This thing feels like it's going to last forever, my friends. A great little belt here. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you all next time.